All right, you can see we got the truck all back together, got the injectors back in, and got the Banks intake installed all the way. So now we're gonna get the scan tool, clear the codes, and then we'll crank it over and start it up and make sure it sounds good.
Yeah, I think we're calling this thing Big Red, huh?
Big Red, yeah.
Big Red. Big Red ready
Big
to
Red
go?
truck, it's ready to go. Yeah, we got it fired up and all back together.
Guy's gonna be happy about that.
Yeah,
Okay.
got the Banks Monster